Want to blow up your credit score 100 plus points? Well, you need to implement these 3 hacks to see your credit score take off. In fact, once you start implementing these hacks, you're going to see deletion after deletion after deletion. You're going to see your credit score go up 25 points, 30 points. You're going to get notification after notification. Credit score is going crazy. The reason why I'm so confident that your credit score is going to blow up is because I get daily messages from Facebook, Instagram. I also get a daily report from a Smart Credit. And what I see is a 100-point increase. This person got a 200 plus point increase. This person got a 300 plus point increase. This person got a 200 plus point increase. I can go on and on and on. And I know for a fact, once you implement all these 3 hacks, hey, your credit score is going to take off. But hold up, make sure you watch all 3 hacks because hack number 1 goes into hack number 2, and hack number 2 goes into hack number 3, and all 3 hacks combined go boom. And if you want your credit score to blow up, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you want to learn how to knock the credit barrels out and build up your credit profile so the banks can be begging you to sign up with them, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button because I come out with videos every single day teaching you step by step on how to do this. And also, I created a free secret letter to help you set the credit barrels up so you can knock them out. So what you waiting for is free, so go grab it. Hack number 1, in order to increase your credit score, 20 points, 50 points, 100 points, 200 points, even 300 points, even 400 points, all depending on what you have on your credit profile. In order to do that, we have to set the credit barrels up. We have to set them up. And the reason why we want to set them up is because we have to remove those negative items that's holding us back. So the first thing you want to do is clean up your personal information, right? Now, I have an AI Power tool that makes it easy for you. So get the AI Power tool, or if you don't, go to Experian.com and clean up your personal information. See all those things, because all you have to do is go to Experian, create a free account, click on dispute, and you're gonna see a whole bunch of negative, you're gonna see a whole bunch of names and addresses that's missed up. But if you want to use the AI Power tool, it makes it much simpler, right? So click on static letter, then go to clean up personal information, and then you send the letter off, right? Also, you also want to what? Freeze those snitches, right? Those snitches, they talking on you and telling on you over and over. So we want to hush them up. Now, after we hush them up, we also want to knock them out too, because guess what? They have information on us as well. They're another consumer reporting agency. So what we want to do is knock those things off as well. So you can use a static ladder to remove that LexisNexis account, that CoreLogic, SageStream, Innovis, FactorTrust, DataX. All these people that's telling on you, you want to knock them out too. Now, after we knock them out, what we want to do now is send off our setup letter, right? Now, there's 2 types of letters you can use. You can use my free secret letter, or you can use the AI Power Tool letter, right? And the AI Power Tool, what we want to use is paralyzing touch point. Yep, the paralyzing touch point. Let's see if you want to know. Paralyzing touch point letter to actually set them up. So after you set the credit bills up, hey, you need to be building at the same time. This going to hack number 2. You need to be adding on backdated history onto your credit profile. Now, you probably wonder, how do you do that? Now, let me break it down to you. You need to understand how your credit score is actually broken down. And it's broken down into 5 different factors. And once you understand every last factor, now you can start improving your credit score. 20 points, 50 points, 500 points, 300 points. You're going to start seeing your credit score blow up. Now, you're probably wondering, how do you do that? Guess what? Payment history is what? 35% of your credit score? Average age is what? 15% of your credit score? Credit mix is what? 10% of your credit score? And what? New accounts is another 10%. So how much is that? 35 plus 15, what is 50? Add another 15% add another 10 is what? 16, and add another 10 is 70%. Now, in order to do that, you want to add some type of accounts onto your credit report that allows you to add backdated history. And I'm gonna name a few of them, right? Rent reporters is one of them, right? You can add backdated history onto your credit report by reporting your rent. And if you've been living at your apartment for the last 2 years, you can add all that history onto your credit report so it can help you blow it up. Also, not only can you add rent reporters, you can also go to Rental Karma, right? And these 2 separate places. So you can, guess what? You can add both of these places onto your credit profile and watch it blow up. And so you set the credit bills up, you're building your credit profile at the same time. Guess what's gonna happen now? You're gonna start receiving those results based off the investigation that you sent off a while ago, right? So once you get the results, let's lead into hack number 3, right? Here's what you want to do. Hack number 3. You want to be leveraging the law. You also want to be leveraging Metro 2. You also want to be leveraging CFPB. Now, how do you leverage all 3 combined so you can blow up your credit score? That's what you need to do. Based off of your investigation, right? 3 or 4 things is going to happen, right? Either your account got deleted, which is good. Your account got deleted. Or the credit bureaus never respond. I'm going to show you which law to use. The credit bureaus never respond. Or they said everything's 100% accurate, or they said, hey, you sound like a credit repair company, right? So here's what you want to do. You can't do nothing because the account got deleted, right? We good, right? All right, if the credit bureaus didn't respond within 30 days, you want to leverage what? 15 USC 1681I, right? We're going to leverage that first law, right? And it's read number 1, right? And it says the credit bureaus have to respond back in 30 days. And if they don't, that's a violation. So we want to use that law. And guess what? If you sent that paralyzing touch point, guess what? It has Metro 2 codes. So you use those two combined plus the CFV to send off your complaint. And all you have to do is write off your complaint saying the credit bureaus didn't respond within the 30-day time period. They have to remove that account. Now, if they said everything was 100% accurate, all you have to use there's multiple laws you can use, but you can use 15 USC 1681I, number 5, and guess what that law states, right? Everything has to be 100% correct. They have to modify everything. So guess what? They didn't modify everything because I guarantee the open date is still wrong. I guarantee the account number is still wrong. I guarantee the date last activity is still wrong. I guarantee the date last payment is still wrong. So what are you going to do? You're going to leverage that and show them that they didn't update the information. So all you got to do is create a complaint. Plus, if you use, like I said, the Metro 2 letter that we sent off on round 1, use that combined. Use that in the investigation result. Use that in the attachment, send off your complaint, and guess what? You wait 15 days, and you're gonna start seeing counts coming off. Now, if you want to get guaranteed results, keep watching this video because I have a special offer for you. After taking thousands of free consultations, I know there's 2 things that hold people back from getting over a 700 plus credit score. Number 1, you haven't implemented all the things that I teach on a day-to-day basis. Number 2, you haven't joined my 700 plus blueprint presidential program. I guarantee that you will see results in 90 days or your money back. The average person that have gone through this program has seen crazy results. Nobody has never gone through this program and haven't seen results yet. The reason why is because we hold you accountable. We tell you which letter to use. We tell you which law to use. We tell you what to say when your accounts come back verified. We also show you how to write up your complaints with the CFPB. We also have the private chat feature so you can never be confused. We also have coaching calls so you never can be confused. We want to make sure this is seamless as possible. We want to make sure this is easy as possible. We want to make sure you help you build up your credit profile so the banks can be begging for your services. And if you want results like this, and like this, and like this, and like this, make sure you schedule a call right now because guess what? We have limited spots. And I want to make sure and help you and make sure you get everything that you need so you can build up your credit profile and get everything you want and get leverage so you can get income producing assets and pay you like clockwork. So if you want something like this, if there's something that you're looking for, make sure you schedule a call right now because we only have a limited spots. All right, I'll see you on the call.